Hi guys, welcome back to our channel Stuff About Tutorial, and in this video we will learn to change account type on Indeed. So guys, as you know, on Indeed there are two types of account. One is job seeker and second is for hiring. So if you created your account as a job seeker, then now you want to hire someone, then how will you change your account type? So you don't need to confuse about it. Just go to your profile icon, click on it, and then go to settings. Click on settings, and here in account settings you will see account type. So as you can see guys, my account type is job seeker, and now I want to change it in as an employer. So click on the change account type, and then you will see this type of window on your screen, and here you have to click on employer. Once you mark on your right one, then you have to click on save. As you can see guys, my account type has been saved and it has been changed into employer. So guys, this is how to change account type on Indeed. Hope you like this video. Thank you so much. Good luck.